Let me show you how we can enter and exit the bootloader on Google Pixel 10. So, in order to go to the bootloader, first of all, we need to turn off our device. So I'm gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And we need to shut down our phone. So let's wait for the phone to completely power off. And once that is done, what you need to do is you need to press the power button and volume down button. So let's press and hold both of these buttons. There we go. Now we are in the fast boot mode. Over here we can use volume up and volume down in order to choose a different option. So there we go. Here we have the fast boot mode. Of course, we can go to, let's say, the recovery mode. Over here we can confirm by pressing the power button. If you decide to go to the recovery mode, then you will see no command screen. And in this case, you need to press and hold the power button and then press volume up while holding the power button. Here we also navigate with the volume button. And as you can see, we can reboot to bootloader over here. So if you want to exit this menu, you can go to reboot system now, or you can reboot to the bootloader. Let's actually use this feature, this option, I mean. And there we go. So besides that, we also have the rescue mode. And if you want to exit this mode, you can just simply choose, for example, start over here. Confirm with the power button, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.